Plastic Model Builders, welcome back. It is Ari Stone, your host. This is the BB-8 R2-D2 1/12 scale from Bandai. We're doing a box break, so let's open it up. We're going to see what's inside. We have one cellophane bag right here on top that has some decals in it. There is another cellophane bag right here. Has more parts. You can see they are molded in white and gray as well. The other bag had some orange parts in there for BB-8, some black parts and some clear parts and some other parts. So here's more silver parts in the black base. We have our instructions that you see here. A lovely color booklet, multiple pages. It folds out. There is the front cover. Open this up real quickly. You can see all the instructions. There is the first step of the instructions right there, and then all the others. Steps 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I'm just kidding. Not that many of them. There you go. Each model has its own little area that you have to look at. There's R2-D2. This is one of the part sprues right here. The other one, you can see all the detail, the black and the clear. Here is the other decal sheet, and then we also have these stickers which are coming up. That's R2's body, most of his parts. If you want to be an R2 builder, this is one for you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Also, we got our Facebook group page. Join the live chat. There's the stickers, as you can see right there. We do premieres all the time. More parts, that's the inside of the body. This is it right here. Thanks for watching. As usual, subscribe, comment, and like. See some high detail there. This is the build. And until next time, as always, see ya.